Oh, stop. There's this one in right now. Okay, that's his sister, the Blenheim. The little black one is Cocklear. Here comes his mama. Coming in. There she is. That's London. And there's the little boy. Watching you. I made him hanging toys. Usually they play a lot with hanging toys. See, he's much more interested in what I'm doing. Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. And what the mama's doing. What? Are you wishing I'd bring you some of your sisters? I can. I'm going to go get some of your sisters. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. There's two more. Little red girl. And that one is Cocklear boy. So all but those two are Cocklears. All right, Panda. Come in. No Caesar. Where do you think you're going? You pushed your way out, didn't you? Come. Movie's all about you. Stay in. Oh, and Booty Ghoul has to come in. Everybody has to come in. Oh, London, you're so funny. Little black boy. Little black boy and happy. Oh, the mama's out there. What? You want me to put your mama in with you? Oh, and he's escaped again. What do you think he's doing? And his sister got away. Oh, London. Millie! No, not too rough. No fight. Millie!